the longer they stayed floating on banana leaves, the darker they got.
Can you repeat this?
No, the darker they got. So eventually you get things like the American Indians and the Mexicano.
That's the darker?
And because they were longer on the ocean and the amoeboids kept getting more and more fertile. And the last banana leaf landed, you would think Africa, but they're just dark because they're, Negroes. But the last one landed in, of course, Congo. And
It never developed.
never really developed. Thus, and it's just pretty much, the banana leaf was actually.
I thought we were talking about how blues developed.
First, I'm getting that. The banana leaf was actually the first example of public transportation. From here to there, right? And eventually, you can imagine starting from the polar region and floating down with that banana leaf. Eventually, got pretty not so big. So they started to sink, so they had to find a new way. The ones that were still flat, so to find a new way to stay afloat. So they developed that personal communication device that were born, and they climbed onto the board. And then they developed all this other stuff. The other stuff that the PFDs developed was called. That's the story of the Earth.